How to fix YouTube trending option not showing. Is it even possible? YouTube no longer supports a centralized trending or trending now tab. As of July 2025, the company officially retired these features. In their place, trending lists are now delivered through category focused charts, for example, music, podcasts, and movie trailers. YouTube is leaning on personalized recommendations, shorts, search results, and explore menus for content discovery. For desktop and web, the trending is located in the Explore menu under Sidebar. Look for chart categories like trending music or podcasts. On the mobile app, tap the compass icon, open the Explore tab, scroll to find trending section within it. And on the TV app, use the Explore button or perform a home screen customization to restore relevant feeds. Older layouts may vary. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.